Hi there, this is Dingo for Dingo Servo Mounts, and I want to introduce you to our new 4-channel DCC accessory board, which is this board down here. It plugs with 5 pins into our standard multi-board, so you don't have to do any wiring at all. That just simply plugs in, and then I have a set of 4 servos up on the top of the board there. And that's all that happens. This terminal block here connects to the DCC system. I have the back end of my NCE power control here. I shall show you that in a minute. There she is, and I'm going to use that now to do a programming and then operate this board. So in order to program it, the first thing you do is to push down on this little switch over here, and you get a flashing light there. Now I go to my controller and I hit accessory, ask me for a number. I'm going to put in 10 for the sake of argument and hit enter, and then it asks me if you want 1 or 2. It doesn't really matter, but in this case, because I don't know too much about DCC, I'm going to hit 1. You'll notice the board light flashes to tell me it's now accepted that channel. So what it's now done is these 4 channels are now going to be 10, 11, 12 and 13. So in other words, the one you set plus 3 immediately above it. So now if I go to my select accessory, and it's still registering number 10, so I can hit enter. I can now say 2, and you'll notice the little red light came on and the servo should have moved. Not sure why it didn't. Let's try that again. Select 10, go for 1 this time. Oh, there, the servo did move. It's just a very quiet servo. So let me bring that down a bit and you can see what I'm doing. Select 10, enter, and 2, and you'll see the servo at the top of the screen moving. Now if I go to select and I then say 11 and enter, and I put a 2 on there, the next servo moves and the next light comes on. You'll notice that these lights are as close as I can get to resistor color coding. So I've got red, yellow, green, blue. That's the 4 channels, and that will correspond to 1, 2, 3, 4. The setting up of the multi-board is the same as it always is, and now I can basically just carry on here and go select accessory 12, and I'm going to turn this one off. So there it goes. That jump is because it hasn't been activated before. If I go to the same servo again, hit a 2, it'll go without jumping all over the place. And if I went to accessory 13, then you will see that nothing happened there. Select accessory 13, and it goes because I basically try to turn it on when it was already on. So that is basically our new little board. I'm going to bring that in closer now so you can have a closer look at it. Just to go through some of the points on here. Just going to pull these lights back on. So all 4 lights are on. So the red light, number 1, yellow 2, 3 green, 4 blue. This block over here is a quad optocoupler, so that this board is totally independent of the DCC board. So you cannot get any interference from the DCC into the main analog board there. Everything else is fairly simple, and this is brand spanking new. We've built it up and tested it now, and it will be in the sales box very soon. Just need to build a load more and get them set up to go. So if you've got a 4-channel multi-board and you want to add DCC to it, this is the way to go. It's very simple, and it works really well. So this is David Ingleby, and thank you for watching.